Welcome to part 2 of today's Wilson lesson. This is the part where I normally build words by using sound cards. So let's do some review words here. First one has a few word parts to it. Okay, so if you were to tap that word out, bolt, bolt, bolts. Notice that we didn't tap the suffix because it's a word part. It's part of the base word. Okay. You'll notice that this word here has two vowels, which means that you have to divide syllables. So if you look between the two vowels, there's one consonant between them. So in this case, you're going to close the first syllable in. Ax, ax, is, right? So if you combine those syllables together, axis. Okay, this next word is not a real word, and I want you to try it on your own by tapping the sounds out and separating the base word from the suffix. Okay, try it out on your own. Let me add one more consonant to have a three-letter blend in there. Base word is sprax. Full word is spraxes. Notice that suffix es says is at the end of a word. So if you hear is as a suffix, spell it es. Okay, now on to our new words for this lesson. We haven't talked about the schwa sound yet, so we're going to do that today. And how to discover where it is in a word. Let's start with our key word for schwa. Okay, so we've talked about this syllable division rule, where when you have one consonant between the two vowels, that you close the first syllable in. And when you tap these out separately, they both have the expected vowel sound, right? W-ag, wag, on. We know that that's not a word. Wag on is not a word. The word is wagon. And so when you're hearing a different vowel sound than what's expected, it's because that syllable is quieter. So if we were to look at this in terms of syllable division, wag, on, and now if you put it together, wagon. Now, if you put your hand under your chin and say the word, wherever your chin hits your hand is the louder syllable. Wagon. Okay? So wag was louder. This A is closed in, and it's making an expected sound, right? So it's closed. And over here, the O is also closed in, but it's making a different vowel sound. Wagon. It's making a short I sound. Okay? So in that case, that would be a schwa syllable, which which is marked with an upside down E, because that O-N is saying in with a short I. Our words for today's lesson all end in O-N. So let's practice a few more together. Okay, find the vowels with your fingers on your screen and divide with me. Right? Close the first syllable in. Say both syllables separately first. Lem, on, lem, on. Combine them, and you have lemon. Okay? The vowel that's making the unexpected sound is the O. Again, it's saying I, lemon. Okay? To figure out which syllable was louder, put your hand under your chin and say the word again. Lemon. Notice how your chin hits your hand for the first syllable. Okay, for this one, find your two vowels. There's one consonant, which means it stays with the first syllable to close it in. Give me the pronunciation of each syllable. Mel, on. Combine your syllables. Melon. Okay, again, the unstressed syllable has the unexpected vowel sound because it's the quieter syllable. Okay, let's try one more. It has a slightly different syllable division rule. Good review. Okay, find your two vowels. This time you'll notice that there are two consonants between the vowels, so you divide between them. Okay, your pronunciation of the first syllable is gal, second syllable is lawn. Combine them. What do you get? Gallon. Again, the O says it in the unstressed syllable. Nice work.